Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here. Okay, so while at CES this year, I had the really cool opportunity to get some hands-on time with the new Samsung Galaxy Z Trifold. Now, this is not a review or anything like that. I just want to share some quick thoughts with you guys just based off of the hands-on time that I got with this new device. Now, I'll be completely honest with you guys. I did not expect to really like this device as much as I actually do after getting some hands-on time with it. You know, honestly, I thought maybe the phone was just going to be a little too thick for my liking, maybe a little too hard to handle, but honestly, it was a great first experience and I actually kind of want one now. Now, first off, when the phone is folded, it kind of reminds me of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. You're getting that regular phone experience in the front. It is a smooth experience, beautiful display. Of course, it is going to be just a little bit thicker than the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, but honestly, it's not as thick as I thought it was going to be. I guess I could kind of compare it to like a Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra with the case on it. Maybe it's that kind of thick. But honestly, I mean, for a phone that opens up to a 10-inch tablet, it's really not as thick as I thought it was going to be. But yes, it does open up to a 10-inch tablet. And this is where all the magic happens. First off, it is a beautiful 10-inch tablet-like display. And the phone itself, when fully open, is actually super thin, very lightweight as well. Definitely a lot lighter than I thought it was gonna be. And like I said, it is super thin, so thin to where it is just about as thin as the USB-C port. Any thinner than that, they would not have been able to fit that charging port there. That is how thin this phone is when opened up like a tablet. Now you're probably asking, okay, well, what about the creases down the middle? Yes, of course, you know, the creases are there. You're gonna be able to see them at certain angles, but when you're using the device just straight on, watching content or doing whatever it is you're doing, you really don't notice the creases too much when you're looking at it straight on. And you know, it's the same thing with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, but the actual display itself blew my mind. It was absolutely beautiful. We went ahead and threw, you know, a 4K YouTube video on. Obviously, it's not a 4K display, but I mean, just watching content, the little bit of time that I got to on this device when it was in tablet mode, I mean, it is just a beautiful, beautiful display. I mean, the colors are nice and vibrant. You're getting a nice, sharp, clear picture. I mean, I can only imagine what watching movies on this thing is gonna be like, and even playing games. I mean, it's gotta be a great experience. Now, one thing that Samsung did here to make sure that we don't damage that inside display when folding it up or unfolding it is that when it comes to the first fold, you'll notice that the first fold doesn't completely touch the display. And they do this to make it easier to lift that part up without actually digging our nail into the display itself. It doesn't fully touch the display. It's when you fold the other part of the device that locks in both folds with a magnet. So it's only going to touch that display when the other part is folded. But once you unfold the first part and then you go to that second part, it's automatically going to lift up a little bit once you take the first part off. And then you can easily just, you know, unfold the last part without having any damage done to that display. So that just tells me that Samsung really put some clear thought into this to make sure that we, as the consumer, do not damage that inside display by simply just trying to open the device. Now, one cool thing that you are able to do on the Trifold is say you're watching a YouTube video on that front display, but you decide, hey, I want to go ahead and open up and watch it on the bigger display. You can simply just open it up and it will continue playing the video without stopping. So you're not really interrupting the video that you are watching. Just simply open up the device and boom, the video keeps playing for you. And another cool thing about that big inside display is multitasking. You are getting true multitasking with this device right here. I mean, you can have, you know, 3, you know, different apps open at the same time with the floating window if you want. I mean, depending on how much you're actually going to do at the same time, but it's cool because we're getting a nice bigger tablet-like experience. So we will be able to see more of each one of these apps that we have open. And even editing photos is really cool on this big tablet-like display as well. Say you want to use, you know, Galaxy AI to edit up one of the photos, maybe erase something out of the photos. And then once you do that, you want to compare it to the original photo to see if the change was actually worth it or not, well, on this big tablet 10-inch display, you'll be able to see both photos nice and clear and see the difference between both of them and see just how good Galaxy AI did by removing that, certain thing that you wanted out of your photo. So it's actually really nice. You don't have to, click a button to go back and forth between the original and the new photo. You actually have them both side by side. And then we have Samsung DeX. Now, of course, with Samsung DeX, we're able to, connect our devices that support that feature into a monitor and have that PC-like experience. It's like a little computer in our pocket. While with the Galaxy Z Trifold here, you actually are able to use Samsung DeX straight on the device itself, and you can have up to 5 apps open at the same time and just get that full PC-like experience on the Galaxy Z Trifold itself. Now, when it comes to the actual design and just the overall quality of the device, first of all, it feels a lot more premium than I thought it would. Definitely a nice premium feeling looking device. It doesn't feel too flimsy or anything like that. It actually feels a lot more durable than I thought it was going to feel like, even when the device is actually open. And when you open it, it kind of like snaps into place. So it doesn't feel, super wobbly or flimsy or anything like that. Definitely a very premium feeling and looking device. And then when it comes to the design in the back of the device, this is how it's going to look. And this is a ceramic glass fiber design. I will say that I know this design is not going to be for everyone. I have had comments before with, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 having that kind of same design in the back, that not really many people like that kind of look in back of the phone. Well, that's where our sponsors of today's video comes in, Dbrand. Now, Dbrand offers tons of skins for the Samsung Galaxy Z Trifold on their website, and you can change up the look of your Trifold whenever you want by simply just slapping a skin on the back of your device, and boom, you got a whole new look. And like I said, they have tons to choose from. These are skins that I've used on many devices for years now. I don't have to go out and buy a new phone just to change up the look of my phone. I can just put a skin right on the back, and when I'm ready to change up the look again, I just swap skins. It is that easy. So if you want to pick up a Dbrand skin for your Trifold, if you do plan on getting one, I'll make sure to drop a link down in the description below so you can check out some skins from Dbrand or possibly anything else they offer, like a grip case, maybe their ghost case, or maybe some skins for your gaming consoles as well. Now, we also did get a quick unboxing while there, and of course, the phone wasn't in the box because it was out on display, but in the box does come a case for the device, but not only a case, it also comes with a charging brick as well. And the overall unboxing experience is actually a really nice unboxing experience. It's not a cheap, boring unboxing experience. It's actually something that's going to be very enjoyable when unboxing your new Samsung Galaxy Z Trifold. So overall, I gotta say, when it comes to just my first impressions with my first hands-on with this device, I am definitely a lot more impressed than I thought I would. And I'm actually kind of finding myself wanting one of these Galaxy Z Trifolds in my pocket. It was a great, fun first hands-on experience with this device. But I will say, I know the price is gonna be a bit up there, and I don't know if my wallet can handle that right now. I don't know, we'll see. I kind of do want to get one, but what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comment sections below. Thank you all so very much for watching. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thanks for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.